Hey friends, if you wish to increase or adjust bass for headphones and speakers on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So click on this system tray here and you can increase the volume, and then right click on the speaker icon and then go to settings. Check the volume here as well. Scroll down and then select more sound settings. Right click on the active speaker and select properties. Go to the levels tab and then make sure that you have increased it to 100%. Okay, so this is the main thing. And in some cases you have the audio enhancements mode as well, so you can enable audio enhancements in the advanced section. So this is what you can do to increase the bass, but you cannot do it beyond a certain limit for Windows media players. So here's what I suggest: search for store in the Windows search bar and then go to the Microsoft Store, and in the Microsoft Store you can search for VLC. Download and install the VLC player on your system. It's already installed on mine, but you have to click on install here. And with the VLC player you can increase your sound and bass beyond a certain level, but I will suggest not going above 100% because that can damage laptop speakers. But yes, you do have the option to do that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.